Coolness, my first poster.
You got a real future here, Alana. That's pretty.
Thank you. The next Picasso of Wasteland View.
So, Alana,
what?
the other night, how'd it go? You know, you and Joey, your date.
Okay. Okay, all right. It was awesome. He's so funny and he's cute.
Yeah, Joey's a great guy.
Yeah, well, he thinks you're a hero.
I told you. Kid's got great judgment, you know?
Billy, have you,
Have I what?
you know, told him about...
Alana, come on, get a life. I'm not gonna tell...
Well, I know he'd be okay with it. He would.
Alana...
All right, I'm sorry. All right. I just thought that, you know, because you guys were friends, you could tell him.
We are. And I will tell him.
Yeah?
Someday.
Well, when?
June 19th. In the year 2034.
Billy, get serious.
I am serious, Alana. I don't want to tell him now.
All right, fine. All right.
And I don't want you to tell him either.
Who do you think I am?
A friend. A friend who knows how to keep a secret.
Hey, Billy.
Hey, Joe. Sorry to hear about the other night, man. Bummer, huh?
What?
Well, you know, you and Alana. Total wipeout, right? The date from hell, I think she called it. That's...
All right, so you think you're being funny, huh?
Hey, aren't I?
Hey, am I laughing?
All right, there goes my career as a stand-up out the window.
Hey, that's okay. You got another career.
Yeah?
As a matchmaker.
Oh, so we're talking thumbs up here, right?
We're talking thumbs up.
Well, in that case, it's 2 thumbs up because she was pretty...
Alana told you? What'd she say? Come on.
Well, you know, she said that you had a great time and that she thinks you're really cute.
She said that? She
Yeah.
did? No kidding.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it was a Peter Gabriel. That was the key move.
Come on, Joe. Give yourself some credit, man. You're a stud.
A stud, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so I guess you're waiting for me to say thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I didn't say it yet.
Well, then, you know.
Thank you.
Okay.
If it weren't for you, I don't know.
Me and Peter Gabriel, I know.
Well, mostly you. I'm telling you, I brought her out on the terrace. That was a surprise move you suggested. Really worked.
Excellent. So, when are you going out again?
I don't know. Soon, I hope. But I don't want to make her think I'm too eager or anything, right?
I wouldn't worry about that if I were you.
Well, that's probably true if you were me, but I'm me, and I worry. I'm not like you.
You don't think I worry?
About girls? No, I don't. I think you probably have all this down pat by now.
What?
All of it. What to do when, what to say when, how far to go. I mean, am I right or what? Tell me.
I told you. My lips are sealed, all right?
Billy, the entire future of my relationship with Alana depends on you. You've been there, I haven't. You don't have to name names or anything, okay? But I'm dependent on you. Tell me what I need to do so I don't screw things up.
Later. I gotta get the phone. Hello, hotline. What's on your mind? Hey, yeah, Billy here. It's good to talk to you. Oh. Well, just make sure you come down to the community center, all right?
No, I swear, I don't think you're weird. Well, there must be someone you can talk to. I don't know who exactly. Well, listen, you can go... Hello? Great. Oh, I feel like I was just dumped in the deep end of a pool.
What, something deep, huh?
What do you say to a guy who tells you he thinks he might be gay?
You say, honey, let's meet. You just might be my type.
What did you say, Joey?
Well, mostly I listened. The guy says that he's been having these feelings for other guys lately. And he doesn't know who to talk to.
You tell him to talk to me, and I'll straighten him out.
Joey, did you tell him to call back? You know, let him, give him numbers of counselors?
I couldn't. He hung up.
I bet he's in my art class. That class is fag heaven.
Decker's art class? You gotta really watch your back up there.
Seriously, guys, the guy's confused. He doesn't know what to do, who to talk to.
Tell him their phone number's in the John.
Guys, I don't think this is that funny, okay?
Well, excuse me. Are we a little sensitive on this subject ourselves?
Guys, just cut it out, all right?
Hey, my little sister's got some dresses your size. Of course, she's a little more developed.
Hey, why don't you clowns give it a rest?